Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So that's the part number 3 of GoHighLevel website SEO. In this video, we are going to learn about how we can implement on-page SEO into your website, and also I can implement in a practical way as well. So let me dive in video without wasting time, and I will show you how we can implement on-page SEO in GoHighLevel websites. So I have already this website. That's a digital marketing agency website for one of my client. So we are going to do on-page SEO for this website. I just go back on a backend and simply I just click on edit, then I will start the procedure. And before that, let's go through the checklist of on-page SEO, that necessary things we need to do. The first thing is, do we need to manage our title tags, and it must be a unique and 50 to 60 character with the primary keywords. That's our checklist point 1, and where we need to add title that contain our main keywords and also that be a less than 50 to 60 character. So I just go to the websites, and here is our main title, and we need to add keyword here. Right now there is a no keyword, so our main keyword is a digital marketing or digital marketing agency. So that's our main keyword, so we will use main keyword in here. So I just simply go to here and then go to added mode. Okay, I just simply go to here, click here, and I will add keyword here, drive results and affiliate success and share growth partners. We will say in digital marketing. Yeah, here we have used our main keyword. I just increase or decrease the font size and make it more professional. No, I think we need to keep it between 50. Yeah, I think that looks good. And also we need to use make it H1 as well. Let me discuss in the next step how we can structureize headings. So that's our point 1 from our checklist. So we can say that that's done, and the next part is heading setting. We need to set our headings. The main heading is H1, then we will use H2, H3, H4, and that's ongoing for H6. So let me dive in back. That's our main heading. We need to keep it H1, and other headings, for example, that's heading we need to keep it H2, and also these H2. And if under this we have heading like this, then it should be a heading 3, and that these all headings we will keep a paragraph once, and then we will keep this heading also H2 because these under our H1. And same here, the content must be a unique. Right now that's not a unique content, that's just copy paste from ChatGPT. So you can write a unique content or hire you can content writer. Either you can just go to LeadsFlex and book consultation. I will suggest you writer as well. So for that, let me make a structure of this. So simply I just make it H1 and also add our main keyword here. The main keyword is simple digital marketing. I just make it H1, and let me go on the next heading. And here we have another heading that's under this heading. So what we can do here, we can simply just click on it, and I will select all this, and I just make it H2 heading. Okay, and but I will increase the font size. That looks good here, but that's H2 headings. So same here, we need to optimize our content as well. We need to make just SEO optimized content. That's not SEO optimized content, that's we grab from ChatGPT. You need to do a manual content with content writer. So that's how we can structureize all headings. And for example, that's H2, and under this heading, so what we can do, we can make it H3. And same here, that's our H2 heading. That's a paragraph, that's not a heading, so we can use basic paragraph here. So if we have a heading under heading like this one, we have this have a heading, that's H1, we can make it H2 here. And this is another heading. Let me take heading. You need to take a heading element and make it H3 because this is under heading 2, so we can make it heading 3, and that's also heading 3, that's also heading 3 because they all are under H2. We can increase the size of this font. That looks good. And also same scenario here, and also that's also our H2 heading. And same scenario we can apply on our whole pages. So that's how we can structureize our heading sections. So that's also done. We need to update our meta description and meta titles and compiling with a keyword. So what we can do, we can simply just go to the site, and I just say here is a 2 option. We can we can do with here and here. Either we can use when we publish, we have option as well. That's our SEO preview right now, and how meta description and meta title work. So for example, here we can search digital. For example, we have searched digital marketing agency here, so that's our meta title, and from here that's our meta description for our specific page. So we need to optimize our meta description and meta title according to our target audience and according to our ranking system and according to our keywords. So what we can do, we can simply go to ChatGPT and we can ask to write meta description and meta title for us. I just asked ChatGPT to write meta description and meta title. They just write meta title here and meta description as well, but you can write your own, and that's recommended. You can go with the writer that would be help you to write your all meta description and meta titles as well. Simply I just put my title here, and that's also mentioned page has title under less than 70 character, title domain name or unique. Okay, so our title domain name is already unique, so I just put description here as well. I just go back here, and here is a meta description. That's for leads flex, but right now we can use it for here as well. And here so right now that's how look in a Google, and obviously we can update also URL as well. And here is the main thing, and it says your title description is under 150 characters, so it's look like exceeding from 150 characters, so you need to just make 150 characters. And I just put these 3 continue dots, and here we have keyword. And what's our main keyword? The main keyword is our digital marketing agency, or we can say that our that's our main keywords. And also we can use all our main keywords here. And here we have some author section. If you create author, in the next step I will guide you how you can create your author. And here you can link your social media like Facebook, Google, and all other stuff as well. And here you can link your tag. So for example we will say SEO tags. Just put our content here. We will say we can use again same keyword. That's our main keyword, so that's why I'm using this, but you can change it according to your requirement. Here we have canonical link. Right now we don't need any canonical link here because we are not using any similar content here. If you have similar page or similar content, then you can utilize it. Okay, I just update our metadata. So our meta description and meta title is ready to go live, and that's how it's look in a Google or in a search. So let me go back on a checklist, and that's part done. And content quality we need to check step by step, and I have already discussed about the content quality. You must have a proper SEO optimized content must be have keyword rich content. You can use your proper in LSI keywords, main keywords, and sub keywords as well, as we have used our keyword here, and also we can use our keyword here. And that's a ChatGPT content. You need to do almost copywriting style content for homepage, and also you can add some more content here as well. Like I can show you example here. That's a ChatGPT content. You simply go to ChatGPT. You can write as well as a human content, but you need to revise the content. You cannot simply just copy paste content from ChatGPT and upload to on your website. That's not a good thing, I think. So you need to do some content writing stuff. Either if you are a content writer, or you can simply go to Fiverr or something, any freelance platform. You can hire content writer. And another option is that simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation here. We can also help you to write your original and copyright free content, and that must be ranked in Google. Also you can utilize your keywords, and you need to make structure like H1, H2, H3 as we have discussed in a few seconds ago. So the next step is you must have a quality content. The next step is image optimization, and you must be a compressed image. You can use file name and also use alt tag as well. So I just simply go back here, and I just go to this image, and here we have image. I just simply click on it, and I will do SEO of this image. The first thing is that we need to compress this image. So right now I just save this image, and I can compress this image. There is a lot of website they can allow you to compress image, but go to just this website and simply drag and drop your image. I just drag and drop here, and they just take few seconds, and after that you can just, you see that's reduce 71%, and then simply download you can back, and you can just go to your computer and you can go to download area. That's a compressed image. Let's compare the size of image so you will get idea how much the size reduce. That's a 1 MB image, and after the compress image we have 305 KB image. So we can also optimize again this as well. I just say that click on the rename and we will say that's a digital marketing agency. You can put name into your image as well. That's a main image you can use, and you can put your main keyword as well. And after that you can simply just replace this image from here. It's a super easy. Just click on it, and also you can upload and shoot. Go to downloads, and here you can just upload this image with comparison image, and that's image without losing quality. That's tiny png help you to optimize your image. So right now we have change image. Same here, you can optimize all images. You can put all. Okay, another thing is that the most important part is alt tag. You can put your alt tag here with your main keyword, and also you can help Google to identify this image with this alt tag. Okay, simply just take this alt tag. You can must be add alt tag for image. Same here, you can do for all images, and you can change name, you can compress, then you can utilize it. That's how you can optimize images. So that part is also done. There another thing is internal linking. So let me go dive into website and we will do internal linking. Internal linking means, for example, we have service page, or we have about us page, we have contact us page. So these pages we must need to be linked with our home page, or we can say that any other page that's linked with each other. So I just go back on edit section, and I just simply for example that's area we can say here you see working with us, and I just drag this and I just put the link, and I just put URL, and I will say open in a new window, and I just go back here and I will say contact us page. Simply just copy this one and I just put this one. That's our one internal link. So that's how you can do some internal linking stuff, and also you can do similar as external link as well. And for external link, for example, you have marketing, not this keyword. We will say that innovation is our another keyword that we want to we will say business growth, another keyword that we want to use for external link. I just simply type here business growth, and I just go to this website for now, but you can use must be a relevant website, and I simply go to here back, and I just add link here and simply select this one, copy this one and put URL, and we will say open in a new tag. That's your external link. We will use it. Otherwise you can use social media link as well for external link. So that's how we will do internal link and external link. The next thing is a mobile optimization. I just go to here. We need to check our responsiveness and mobile optimization for ranking. Right now you see that's complete website is a mobile optimized proper, and you can check all things. It's look good in a mobile, and here you can change your mobile as well. For example, I can say I can check in a Samsung, and that's how it's look in a mobile Samsung. And also you can check for Apple as well. So that's how it's work, and here is a one issue you need to fix it. Okay, I just go back to here, and you need to optimize URL as well. Right now if there is any URL with the domain, for now I have this dummy domain, like just show you review here so you will get idea what I'm talking about. Yeah, here you can see that's our API domain, and I just go back here, and here we have domain links with our site, and I just go here and I just open this preview page, and here you can see that's how our URL look like. So we need to optimize URL, and we need to add here digital marketing agency. For now I am not going to change it, but I will show you how you can change it. It's a super easy. Go to your setting, and here you have the name, and here you have your input area where you can input your the name, change the name. And also we have here some security stuff as well, but first thing I think we need to make these changes in a URL. So here you can change the URL in a setting area, and here you can put your path, that's your URL, and here you can add your fav icon as well. And Okay, I just go to here, and then I can change URL, and URL must be with keywords. If you're adding blog, if you're adding page, for example you have service page, so your service page must be a link.leadsflex slash services, we can say digital marketing service page. You don't need to write a page, but you need to write a digital marketing services. And you have Google ads, so you can say slash Google ad service. So you need to must be use your keyword in URL after your domain. After that we will fix any broken link. There is a 404 issue, and if there is anything that are related, for example you have created a page but right now that's not exist on your website, so simply you can go to and you can redirect this page to your home page. And also another thing is that that's not last thing. Yeah, that's our social graph. That's the most important for sharing your website to the other areas. So how we can implement this? We can just go to Google, and we can say that open graph generator. So here we have different open graph generator. So I just dive on this website and also on this website as well. So here we have website, and I need to put website URL for open graph. Okay, I just go back on the website and just copy this URL, and I just go back here and just say check the website. It will check the website, and also it will help us to generate. That's how they generate the open graph. And I just put a title here. You remember we have copy title from Google, and it says that's not free, but we will generate one free. I just guide you, but you can do your own as well. And here we have description. Okay, and here what we can choose image for social media, and right now that's not, and we can say select image, and that's our main image. Okay, and it is creating some issue. I can use this one, and that's how it's look. And it looks for your Facebook, for Twitter, for LinkedIn, or for Discord as well. That's how it looks. So simply just copy this code and go back onto your website, and also just paste this body tracking code, or you can put in a head wherever you want to add. For now I just use this one here, and that's their on their website. I just remove the branding of website, and now that's how your open graph work. So that's it from this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation. And by the way, I have extended 30-day free trial with $1,000 plus bonus as well. In a description box link below, you can just simply click on it and you can grab all things. Thank you so much for watching this video.